When you go to pick a community for a loved one, of course you want it to be a great looking community. You want it to be aesthetically pleasing. Of course we all want that, and Gardens of Somerset will be. But another thing you're picking is you're picking their caregivers. You're picking the team. So, I'm charged with creating a phenomenal team to take care of your loved one, whether it be your mother, father, grandparent, or whatever. And so I take that very seriously. I take my job very seriously, and I will create a great team to do that. And so, when you're picking a community, you're picking the people too. I mean, it can be beautiful, but again, it's kind of like a car. The car can be beautiful and it'll have all the bells and whistles, but it's got to work. So, we're going to have both of those things. We're going to have a beautiful, aesthetically pleasing facility, but we're also going to have a facility that works, and a place that not only will be a place that everyone wants to be at, but a place with care and compassion.